The battery is located in the driver's footwell area. Just move the seat backwards for easy access. Then use a flat screwdriver to unlock the cover for the battery compartment. It's important to disconnect the negative terminal first. If you're not sure which one, look for the minus sign on the battery or for the smaller of the two terminals. The hold-down bracket is secured with two 13mm bolts either side of this protruding handle. You'll need a socket extension for this. You don't need to remove these completely, just loosen them enough until the handle comes free. Make sure to tuck the cables away nicely so you don't damage them when removing the old battery and installing the new one. Fit the hold-down bracket loosely to position the battery and then connect the positive terminal. Position the battery with enough clearance on the positive side as the cables are quite close to the bodywork. Then lastly, fit the negative terminal and replace all the covers. If you'd like to know how to choose the correct battery for your vehicle, then go ahead and watch this one. I hope you found this video helpful, so please consider subscribing. Until next time.